Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new Adidas Predator Moments. This is a very special pair. I absolutely love it. Comes in this limited collection box. Like, just take a look at the box. It focuses on two very special moments. That is David Beckham's free kick for England against Greece, and obviously Zidane's amazing goal against Bayer Leverkusen in the Champions League final. Two very special moments in an iconic boot, obviously the Adidas Predator. And this colorway, I'm going to tell you right now, is the one everybody has been after. So let's unbox it. So, got two pairs here. One is the SG model, one's the FG model. So I got both just because such an amazing colorway, I had to. I think it's sold out now, I'm not too sure, but we're going to unbox them. So on the outer side of the box, you do see the two dates. So this one is obviously saying, hopefully it focuses, Glasgow. I was actually at this game. I saw Zidane's goal, and then obviously the next one is David Beckham's goal in Manchester. I don't actually really remember the goal because I was really young when it happened, but it was an amazing experience. So let's unbox this. Slide it open. And then I really do like how Adidas has upped their boxes since they've changed it in 2025. So the limited collection boxes are now solid and well built, which I really do like. Then we get the Predator bag as well. So full red one. Not really sure why it's red and not black. I think it should be more black, but as you can see, Predator detailing on the front and the back. So you're going to know it's a Predator. Then it was wrapped up in the paper, but I've already unboxed these for TikTok. Like, I don't really need to say much about this because it is spectacular. So this is obviously the FG version here. So we'll take these out and then we'll unbox the SG version. So SG version, exactly the same box, same details as well. However, this one, actually the SG version was from Pro Direct. So they did come with a little kind of like leaflet poster, which is quite cool. As you can see there, Zinedine Zidane on the front. Then same boot bag as well, but we'll take the boots out. Move the box to the side. Then the SG one does come with the studs kind of screw on the side attached to the laces. So it just means that when you wear down the studs, you can replace them, which I really do like. It means that you get a longer lifetime out of your boots because you can unscrew them and put new studs in when they wear down, which some boot companies don't do anymore. So here they are, and they look, honestly, I think this is the one everybody's been asking for. We've waited a long time for a Predator to look like this, and they're finally here. So let's take a closer look. Just an overall look at the boot. It's a black Hybrid Touch 2.0 upper, and then you've got the three Adidas stripes on the outside in a white, and then you've got iconic pattern design on the side in red. Then the strike skin is in white, which I actually really do like. It stands out against that upper below. More of a traditional tongue in the red with the Adidas logo in white, and then the elastic on the side in red. Someone actually commented on one of my videos saying, I wish this elastic was black, but I'm not sure I agree with that because I do like it in the red as well. It matches the tongue, and then if you spin it upside down, you can see it has the Predator detailing here. The sole plate says 100% legal, 0% fair. I like how they have a slogan, however, it's not my favourite, but I can't win at everything. On the outside here, you have the Predator detailing. Spinning it around to the back, you have this kind of like faded dot pattern here, and then the Adidas logo here, and then the heel cup is in a solid red. The right boot celebrates David Beckham's goal, so if you actually lift up the tongue, you've got the commentary embroidered on the inside there. You might not be able to read it properly because it is red on red, but it does say raise the roof here with a goal. On the inside you do have this red wavy pattern, which they are now calling the Velocity Accuracy Swerve. As you can see, don't really think it does anything technically, but it does look quite cool. And then the left boot signifies Zinedine Zidane's unbelievable strike, and the commentary on this one is goal, 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 goal. If I keep the tongue up, you can see that the tongue actually goes all the way down in a full red, and the laces on top are in a black, and you do also get a miniature Adidas logo here in white. It might be quite hard to see, but on this upper you do also get kind of like snake-like appearance in certain lightings, as you can see when I twist it like this, which adds another like visual effect to the boot, which I think it looks really good. And then if we take a look inside the boots, so they do come with a paper shoe tree on both of them. And then we take a look at the little details that they've gone to, which just make the boot, story about the boot, everything more special. So here is the David Beckham goal on the insole. Hopefully you can see that. So it has the position of the box where he took the free kick and shows like the pathway of the ball. Nice little touch, really do like that. And then we have the same on the left foot, but obviously for Zinedine Zidane's goal. So I'll take that out. This one's actually a little bit easier to see because they did it in a white colour. So I'll take this out. You should hopefully be able to see this. So as you can see, the pitch is in a white and you can see how it was crossed in and he volleyed it. So yeah, I like the little details like that. It just makes the whole story of the boot better. And if you're a collector or even if you're going to wear it, it's the little details that matter. If we're going to talk about the boots in terms of tech, they're the exact same as all the other Predator 25s. It's just a new iconic colorway. I've worn the champagne ones. I think they're up there, you can see them up there. I've worn them a few times. They fit my feet perfectly and I would recommend going half a size up to your normal Nike size. So I wear a Nike size 10. These are a 10.5. Just fits me a lot better. And if you have the Predator 24, I would say go to the same size. The upper's a little bit softer and more forgiving, and they've actually widened the toe box on this one, so it does fit your feet a little bit better. You could maybe stay true to size, but I wouldn't risk it. I'd still go half a size up. What I do like about the Predator 25 is there is a large amount of cushioning at the heel. For me, that is a major thing for me. I get kicked in the heel all the time and I need a lot of padding there. I had surgery there before. Something I need in my boot, and this is definitely a boot I would wear. We did see this boot debuted at the weekend from Premier League players such as Trent Alexander-Arnold, and it looks fabulous, especially with the Liverpool kit. I'm not a Liverpool supporter, but it does look good with that kit. It reminds me of the good old Steven Gerrard days. But come on, this is a fantastic pair. However, there's one thing I have to complain about, and if it's the only thing on this boot, other than that, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. But the one thing, comes in SG, comes in FG, but it didn't come in AG. Why? Why did they not do it in AG? But that is the only flaw I have with this boot. Other than that, I think they've got the colorway spot on. An iconic Adidas Predator for those very special moments. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comments what you think of the new Adidas Predator. Well done, Adidas. You listened to everybody. You finally did it. They are fantastic. Yeah. Really happy with these. Thanks for watching, hope you have an amazing day, and don't forget to press that subscribe button. And just to finish this video off, little question for you. Which goal do you think is more iconic? The David Beckham free kick against Greece here, or the Zinedine Zidane left foot volley in the Champions League final? Comment down below which one you think is more iconic, and also let's start a discussion. Is there anything on this Predator that you would have changed? Would you have changed anything? The comment said the elastics should be black, but is there anything else you would change? Or do you think it is the perfect remake of the Adidas Predator, and is this the most iconic colorway that they've done? Or would you have preferred to see something else? Let me know down below in the comments. I'm very excited to see what Adidas does next.